How do? Right, just finished editing all the video, etc, etc. Absolutely fantastic meet. Whittingham and Goosenare social club. There were carnival on, etc. Organiser with Dave, Mini Maniac. Excellent, Dave. Brilliant. Fantastic. Thanks very much. Also a big shout to George for the barbecue, etc. But the biggest shout really is to everybody who turned up, and we all had a great time. All mucked in and plenty of grub about, plenty of food, too much beer. Regarding the filming of the carnival, I've had to edit a lot out. I know it's a bad thing, you know, but you can't these days film kids and stuff like that, and majority of the carnival were kids, you know. It's a shame really, because there were some good things there. There were one there, Minions. God, they were funny. They were really funny. I've done my best with it. I've had to edit a lot out, swearing, etc. You reprobates, you. Only joking. Yeah, so hope you enjoy the film. I've split into 3 parts for simple, 4 parts for simple reason. It goes on for about 50 minutes, which is really a bit too much, you know. And I've tried to put it into categories like day 1, the Friday, and then the Friday night, which is party night, and it was as well. Oh yeah, Saturday I filmed, which you'll see anyway. They had a bit of a quiz, and after that I hardly filmed anything for the simple reason I was steamboat. I were absolutely legless. It's a lot of years since I wobbled off beer, and it wobbled. I wobbled, good style. I needed help home. So yeah, and I were and Sunday morning I did hardly any filming as well because I were rough, seriously rough. So yeah. Anyway, thank you everybody for turning up. Thank you Dave and George. Yeah, absolutely fantastic, brilliant. Right, enjoy. Oh, do. Right, we're at Whittingham. We got here. Look, bonnet's up already. Haha. Dear, dear me. Right, cushions. Yes, arrived. Only one we haven't got is that one there for the back. I made it 27-inch tall rather than 12. Duh. Yeah, so can we have a... Whoa, look at that. Wait, whoa. Look, Sandra hiding behind chair. She hates cameras. Right, we're gonna have a wander. Whittingham and Goosenare Sports and Social Club. Oh, flies all over my step. People all knocking about. Hello, how do? Right, bit of a cover. I think that must be a boozing area. Toilets, bowling green. Lovely site. Been here before though. Excellent bar facilities. I just thought I'd shout that out because somebody's listening. Right, yeah, that's the way into the bar. Here we go. How are you doing? It's Tia the Contica. Sandra's in a sulk. Look at her run away. Loads of Talbots. I think a load more are going to be turning up this afternoon. Here we go. Yeah. How do?
Hiya.
Compass, who are you?
Well, you'll be on the. My name's Mark, but it'll be the moped breaker on the.
Oh, moped breaker, yeah. Whose is that? That's first contact you have seen where fans work.